Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert color to a text box in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu and go to the drawing and click new. And you can see here are text box option. Now I'm click the text box, insert a text box. Now I'm write something on the text box. In case size the text box text, then go to the fill color. Here are many fill color here. Now I'm select this color. You can change again fill color. Go to the fill color option and click in this color. Now I'm change the border white. Then click save and close. Then go click in font of text. You can move the text box anywhere. Here you can see insert color to a text box in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.